Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review this Power Bullet lipstick from the brand Huda Beauty, and the shade I have is Masquerade. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It comes in a transparent plastic cover like this. All the details printed on it, and this is how the lipstick looks like. It comes in a plastic bullet form like this, and it looks like it comes in a plastic packaging like this, and this is the shade. You just have to twist the lipstick to bring it out, and this is how it looks like. The packaging is pretty classy and beautiful. I really like the packaging of this lipstick. So this is how the lipstick looks like on my lips, and it's a bold dark lipstick, and this lipstick will look good on all skin tones. This is for 1095 rupees, and the quantity you're getting is 3 grams. I like wearing dark shades. When I saw this shade, I really thought of trying it out, and this is how it looks on my lips. I really like the color. It's a beautiful dark color and like a vampire color, and best for fall season. I like such kind of shades, and it just brightens up the face, and I really like such kind of bold shade. So coming back to the texture, it's very easy to apply on the lips. It says it's a matte lipstick, but it's not matte. It's like a semi matte. It does transfer and it does smudge a lot, and so for 1095 rupees I think it's expensive. It smudges, it transfers, and it doesn't stay for long, hardly 2 to 3 hours. If you're eating something or drinking something, it will just come out. The staying power is not good, and it's very hydrating. You don't feel anything on your lips, and that's what I like about this lipstick. You don't feel that you have applied any lipstick on your lips, and it's pretty light. But there are a lot of disadvantages of applying this lipstick. First of all, it doesn't stay for long. It's not proper matte. It doesn't give you a proper matte finish, and it does transfer. It does fade a bit after a while, and when you're eating something or drinking something, it will definitely transfer. It's not 100% matte lipstick. It's creamy matte lipstick, which creamy matte lipsticks will not stay for long. They will transfer, they will fade after some time. But I have something similar to this shade from the brand Rimmel, and that's a liquid lipstick, and it's around 800 or something, but the staying power is better than this, and this is for 1995, and the staying power is bad and it fades, smudges. So I am really not happy with this lipstick. I'm not gonna try any other shade from this range. I prefer the liquid lipstick from this brand because they stay for long, and I prefer something which stays long on my lips, and I don't like applying lipstick every few hours. So I want something which stays for long. And moreover, if you apply this lipstick and wear a mask, the lipstick might get on the mask, and you might not want to dirty your mask with lipstick. So I am not happy with this lipstick, and I definitely will not recommend unless you really want to try. I'm not gonna try this range of lipstick from Huda Beauty. I might pick up something from their liquid lipstick again, and I am not at all happy, but the shade is really pretty, and the shade will look pretty on all skin tones, and it's very hydrating on the lips. This was a review of this Power Bullet lipstick from the brand Huda Beauty, and the shade I have reviewed is Masquerade. So if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.